Good morning, my dear mentees. So you all know my name, Dr.C.Senthilkumar, your mentor. So I'm happy that you all during vacation period, during your exam holidays, you enjoyed your days and also implemented 5 stages of decision thinking wherever possible. So may I know what is meant by empathy? Empathy. So that is what called empathy. So can you say some few words?
Empathy is a surviving process. Sir. We have to discuss or interact with people and gathering their problems to make a empathy part. Sir. Define is why that problem is happening. We have to find the main purpose of the problem, sir. And idea it means we have to conclude the n number of solution for that problem.
Okay. Can you say some example? You are studying heat and mass transfer subject and a FEA subject. So can you say some example from that? So can you say how this diary been evolved from 5 stages?
Yes, sir.
Before inventing the new diary, how this diary would have been come to the market
Sir,
based on the 5 stages?
first empathy is we have first of all we have volatility, sir. That has lot of problems. We have enough space for our content and easily broken. So we have to use the efficient way, sir. That is first we have to notebooks. That makes cost low, and we have to know n number of pages to store our ideas and information. So
Based on that, empathy would have been collected from various people. They want to have a notebook like a diary which is indicating date. They would have given some suggestion. So in that, the major problem is taken as a diary. They have invented the diary. So that's what your words. Okay. Can you say a few words about 5 stages of design thinking? Okay. So we are developing an app that gives the students or students also they can use they can if they want to develop any knowledge or they have any skills they can improve the app. It has the security also. They can use their they should don't want to use their own name. They can use their any other names and they can use it as the role call. Okay. So based on that, you studied the 5 stages of decision making. So can anyone say how this ID card would have been come in the market? Before that, we do not have ID card. Just imagine what are the stages involved to incorporate and produce a new ID card. To identify a person where this company first, during the empathy stage, they indicated that to identify a person, I need a card which is or a card form or letter form or any notice form with the person who is coming. Uh, Someone may said, I don't ask him to show the card. Let it him present it with him. So in that way, this rope card would have been come. That is the empathy. Then they would have defined it can be a rope hanging in front of his face. When a person coming and seeing, he can see in front, something like that. So in that way, it have been evaluated. Okay. So can you say a few words about the engines we have seen in the Cochin shipyard internship?
so before I done an internship process, so before that I was searching for getting an internship at a company, and I point out that Shipyard was a central government property, so it will be valuable in our future, in my future. So and how I implement if I was like empathy defined and ideal prototype test. So I will implement these 5 stages in my internship coaching shipyard. Uh, there are 4 to 5 sections in coaching shipyard. So they give a period the first day is safety class. So they talk about you should wear like proper shoe and helmet and a proper glass. So because we are closely interact with that advanced machines like ship engines and we entered in ship analyze that turbo engines and cylindrical engines, and so that they also talk about in that electrical section, carpentry sections, and all our sections. So in according to the carpentry section, they build like furniture for ship, uh, like wood material, plywood material, and according to the electrical section, they have talk about the motors, how many motors we used, and something like that. And in mechanic section, they talk about the hull structure, and the hull structure of a ship and overall properties. And coming to the design properties, they have like they implement the INS Vikrant in Delhi, like in the Navy. So they have there are two key points in Cochin shipyard uh, area. So that key points are indicating like the parking. You can say that parking section of the ship. And there are two processes ongoing there in maintenance and manufacturing. So,
Okay. Thank you very much, my dear mentees, for spending valuable time for discussion on 5 stages of design thinking, which you experienced during your holidays, exam holidays. Thank you very much.